So today we have what's his name again? Benji,
Yeah.
which is a bulldog, and we're using the e-collar training today for the session. And at the moment, how would you think? What have you learned so far today?
Okay, I learned how to handle the dogs.
Yep.
Yeah, like he doesn't pulling me.
Yep. No pulling.
Not pulling, and then when playing with the toy,
Yep.
he wait for my permission to take the toy.
Yep.
Yep. And then when walking, he doesn't piss everywhere.
So he doesn't like mark everywhere.
Yeah, marking everywhere.
So,
Yeah.
so we correct him on the
Yeah, correct
orders
ones,
for
yep.
whatever he's doing.
Yep.
Yep. And what would you rate my service from 1 to 5 today?
5.
5?
Yep.
Would you recommend this service to anyone, like your neighbors,
Absolutely.
your referral friends and stuff like that?
Yep. Absolutely. Yep.
Beautiful. Okay, so this is Alpha Female Canine Academy. Benji, the bulldog, and he's learning a lot of his lessons today.